If you are a cutting board maker, you already know that the market is crowded. Great craftsmanship matters. But what separates one board from another is often the story behind it. Personalization changes everything. Adding a name, a meaningful date, a short quote, or even a scripture turns a cutting board from a product into a gift. It gives customers a reason to choose your work instead of the cheaper, big box store options. With a CNC, custom engravings become repeatable, clean, and easy to offer as an upgrade. Same board, more value, stronger connection. And that's how you stand out in a crowded market. My name is Jeremy, and I am a part of the team here at Simply Technologies. If you ever have any questions about CNC technology, feel free to visit our website or give us a call.